take a day trip to Wilmington, which is where One Tree Hill was filmed and is my absolute favorite show if you don't know me. I have my little list that I made of like all of the houses and places that we want to visit. So let's go. Yeah, I do. I am Brooke Davis. I can't believe the door is still red. If I lived here, 1, I would probably want this house. And 2, I would want to keep the door red. You have to. Alright, now we're going to Dan Scott's house. How far is it?
6
minutes.
And then we're gonna go to Trick.
1521 Country Club Road.
Whoa.
Arrived.
Cool. Hey, Walt.
Yeah, park in here. Welcome to Trick. To One Tree Hill. Hopefully my stuff will be here years from now.
The destination is on your left. 1829 right.
We're walking to Lucas's house. Where's the side door? Aw. It's a big house. It's really wide. Yeah. Oh, it's nice though. That's where like they used to sit, you know. That was Lucas's house. We want to be more cordial because there are a lot of signs, like 3 or 4 signs, you know, private property, don't trespass. So now we're going to Keith Scott Body Shop. Probably not gonna go out and look at it. Probably just gonna watch it from the car. Cool. It's still an auto place. Yeah. That's the cool part. Oh, that's awesome.
Which one's Haley?
That's Haley. That's Peyton.
Wow. Best basketball dribbling impression?
I have to get like a hood on, like. Hi, cutie. So we're gonna go right over there very shortly for some food. That's where the Riverwalk was. Alright y'all, this is crazy. This is like towards the end of our trip, which I really thought we just started it, but this is stunning. Sorry, my glasses. I really wish they had the basketball court up still. It would have been dope to like be on it. But if you think about it, if it was still up, people probably would have written all over it. Like it probably would have been really dirty and probably not even worth it at that point. But it's crazy. Like they literally parked their car right over there and used to watch them play ball. If you are ever near North Carolina, near Charlotte, you gotta take this day trip up to Wilmington. It is stunning. It was a great day today. Like 45 degrees, maybe like 50 degrees, but in the sun it's so nice. We're gonna go right all the way across the water now, probably cross another bridge and get some food and look at the Riverwalk.
Yeah, we're hungry. Me too.
And we're hungry. Love you. Back to the car.
It says North Carolina.
Yes. You need to stop saying that. It's like crazy to me how they hopped over to so many different places. They're all close, don't get me wrong, but they're not that close, you know? So, but like Alex said, they probably did numerous scenes at once and then left and everything.
Tell them where we're going now.
Now we're gonna go to Forking Cork. It's right near the Riverwalk. It's right near that main street. I'm trying to picture like Peyton like driving down all the roads of, you know, like when she had, like in the first season when she was just driving through all the red lights. Sad to see Karen's Cafe too. And then there's also a really cool gift shop that we want to hit up. It's called Crazy Mike's. There's a few I wrote down, like Crazy Mike's. There's like one called like Pool Island, I think. And then the Black Cat Shop, which used to be the music shop. I like these long ones though.
I said it's fine and leave. I don't want nothing. So we got the golf course.
That's mac and cheese, folks. Main doors. The competitor's store. I mean,
Where are you?
We're on the steps at Chapman Hall.
All right, call the campus police.
I can't. She's been drinking.
Yeah, she said.
wow. Walk. Stunning.
So I am Laura, and I had a lunch.
How do I look?
Beautiful, as always.
No. Should've got me a Cracker Jack.
Yeah.
It's for you.
Stop it.
Come on. Don't say I never gave you anything.
They sold them around here. Go get one.
They would make millions.
With the mint chocolate chip.
So many things. After exploring all of Wilmington and eating some yummy food and ice cream, we are on our way back to the hotel. All the places were so cool. It was so awesome to see everything like up close and right there. It's crazy how much a TV show can really like affect you and put such an impact on your life, because I feel like I have always said One Tree Hill is my favorite out of all the shows that I've watched, just because nothing has ever been like it. I really like the bridge. The bridge was really cool. It was just really small. I feel like it was so much bigger. We were just talking about this off camera. It was really cool to, I guess, see it in person. We were trying to find the street that Peyton was driving down when she was going through all those red lights in season 1, but we could not find it. I guess we might have driven on it. Like we went down like through Market Street and Front Street and all those main streets, but I don't really know what was like the main street. Everything else we saw, which was awesome. I don't know, I think everywhere was my favorite. I mean, I loved seeing Brooke's house, especially because they still had the red door, which was so cool. I don't know, the River Court, I think that was probably one of my top places, because I mean, even though like the basketball court wasn't there, and it's like really sad that, you know, none of it's all there, it was just chilling, just to like be standing there where mostly all of the scenes were. So we got a long drive ahead of us. So we're probably gonna crank up some tunes and hopefully not fall asleep on the way home. I guess you can't fall asleep on the way home. I can fall asleep, but yesterday I was like, yeah, no, like we'll go out. Let's go out of here after we come home. I don't know, I might
sleep on the way home.
Yeah, I might get a second wind though. Like if we come home, like I might be like, yeah, let's go out. But I don't know. What do you think? Well, would you go out?
That's how I feel when I get home.
Yeah, no, that's what I said. Because it depends. Like, you know, if
It's Saturday night, we've got it.
I know, that's why I said it's Saturday night. I feel like we should at least attempt to go out, because it might be dead if we go out tomorrow. So we'll see. I kind of want to just push through, I guess.
Use the middle 2 lanes to merge onto US 74 West. Continue straight.
Vlog. Okay, girl, you need to stop. That's all I have to say. Thanks for coming with us today and checking it out. And if you guys like this vlog so far, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down here if you want to see more of my YouTube videos. No, down